Hello everyone. Now we are going to start third unit business environment of plus 2 grade. The topic for today is dimensions of business environment. The topic for today is dimensions of business environment means all the branches of business environment. Broadly they are classified into two types, economic environment and non-economic environment. Economic environment and non-economic environment. Non-economic environment includes social environment, technological environment, political environment and legal environment. Number one is economic environment. Now what is economic environment? Economic environment consists of economic systems. What are the economic systems prevailing in the country? Economic systems, economic policies and economic conditions. What are the economic conditions prevailing in the country? All the three components of economic environment have a large impact on the business, and largely they influence the business. They may create threats or opportunities for the business. So the businessman must timely scan the forces of economic environment so that threats may be avoided and opportunities may be encashed. Economic environment is an environment which includes economic system, economic policies and economic conditions prevailing in the country. Major elements of economic environment. Number one, economic system such as socialist economic system, capitalist economic system or mixed economic system. Whether there is socialist economic system, capitalist or mixed economic system. Economic policies includes import policy, export policy, taxation policy, industrial policy. All these are the policies. Economic condition means what type of national income, how much national income is there. General price level, what is general price level, rate of interest, etc. All these are the examples of economic environment. Economic system, economic policies and economic conditions. Take a few examples. A decrease in the bank interest rate signifies that increase in the demand of goods and vice versa. Means if there will be decrease in interest rate of bank, the demand of goods will increase. People will invest less and they will spend more. A rise in the income of people leads to increase in the demand of goods. If income increases, demand also increases. Likewise, if income is increasing, demand will also increase, and if the interest rate decrease, demand will also increase. So, these are the examples of economic environment. Next is social environment. Social environment consists of social forces like traditions. What are the traditions prevailing in the country? Values of the country. Social trends. What are the social trends prevailing in the country? Values, social trends, traditions, fashion and wishes. What type of fashion is prevailing and what are the wishes and hopes of the people? Level of education, standard of living, etc. All these are related to society. Societal environment or social environment includes all the things related to society, means traditions, values, social traditions, social trends, social fashion, wishes, hope, level of education, standard of living, etc. These social forces have impact on the business. Hence, businessmen cannot overlook the forces of social environment. So, while doing any decision, a businessman should consider economic environment and the social environment prevailing in the country. Major social environment includes traditions. It refers to social practices. That have lasted for decades, such as Diwali, Eid, Christmas, Guru Parv. These are all the traditions, and we have to plan according to the traditions. Business plan should be according to the traditions. Next is values. It refers to moral principles prevailing in the society, like freedom, how much freedom you are getting, social justice, equality, etc. Then social trends means development of the society, like such as health and fitness trend among urban dwellers. So these are should be considerable while taking the decisions of business. Third one is technological environment. Technological environment consists of innovations of new technology. New technology of goods and services. Technological changes bring something new and better for customers. They may create threats for some businesses and offer opportunities to others also. So it refers to innovations related to various business activities. Whenever there is some new creation, you can say that technical environment is changing. Next one is political environment. Political environment consists of the political conditions such as general stability in the country, political stability, peace of the country, peace in the country, and the attitude of government towards business, attitude of government towards the business, what type of policies government is preparing for business. Hence, businessmen must scan it continuously and carefully. Major elements of political environment: political stability in the country, peace in the country, attitude of the government towards business, type of government, single party or multiple party government is their ideology of the parties. Now take one example. In 1977, the Janta government adopted a stringent attitude towards the multinational companies. In 1977, Janta government adopted a stringent attitude towards multinational companies. As a result of this attitude, many multinational companies had ignored India that time. But the new government encourages, later on the new government came and new government encourages the multinational companies for investing in India. This led to opening of the door of Indian market for multinational companies. So political changes have direct impact on the business. What are their ideologies, what are their attitude towards the business, that affects the business directly. Last is the legal environment. Legal environment consists of all the acts passed by the government. All the acts passed by the government, judgments of courts and decisions taken by various commissions and agencies appointed at center, state or national, local level. This arrangement needs to control and regulate the various business activities such as sale, purchase, industrial disputes, etc. The business community cannot ignore the legal framework. So businessmen must scan it regularly. Major elements of legal environment are the acts and legislations passed by the government, the decision taken by the agencies and the decision taken by the courts. For example, by removing control on the capital market, a huge amount of capital was collected by issuing various new shares in the primary market. So, if there is any act passed in the government or in the parliament that have direct impact on the business, that should not be ignored. We should consider all the things before taking any decisions. There are 5 main dimensions of business. Thinking about economy, economic system, economic policy, economic condition is economic environment. Thinking about society is social environment. So social trades, social traditions, trends, values, fashion, wishes, hopes, etc. Thinking about some new technology, if there is any new development, that is technological environment. If there is any change in the government and their stability, their peace and their attitude about the business, that is political environment. And any act or any judgment passed by the government or court or commissions, that relates to legal environment. Thank you.